Okay, so pausing for a little bit on this trip. We're just outside of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We've already made one stop at Lake Charles, and now we're, as you can see, Love's gas station, bathroom break, drinks, stuff like that. So we're going to keep on. New Orleans, here we come. Destination found. Just love walking old cobblestone. Just to give you an idea, some of the architecture, structure, this is where I'm at. Here we go, guys. So later this evening, I'll be heading over to Bourbon Street, and then probably a few of the cemeteries that are over there, where I'm staying at. Everything is within walking distance. So I'll be here for a few nights. Getting some filming done, testing out some gear, enjoying some good food. Looks like so far we've got great atmosphere. And the condo I'm staying in is an older house, as you can tell. You can see from the top floors, these are the old historic French quarters. I have seating area outside of my door. Very nice, I like this. Okay guys, so here we are at the heart of New Orleans, the French Quarter, and we're going to be actually testing out this new gimbal that was actually brought over here from Insta360, and this is their 360 model. Basically what I'm going to be doing, and most of my filming tonight you're going to be seeing, I will be using this gimbal. Cool thing about this is I can actually, you can't really see it, but the phone itself, oh, there we go. Phone is now mounted to this 360, and what I really like about it is it does have a built-in kickstand. I will show you all these features outside of this setting right here later on, but I'm going to actually pull out the tripod, because as you can see now I can actually set the tripod down, and now this 360 is ready to actually work and doing its job and following me and doing all kinds of stuff. But we'll have to be recording within its native app to do that. So later this evening, a lot of the footage that I'm going to be showing, going around, carriage rides, food, getting some beignets and stuff like that, will be filmed with this 360. Cool thing about the 360 is you have 360 degrees of movement. I'm going to go ahead and spin this guy all the way around. So as you can see, this is exactly where I'm at. Old historic home and French Quarter of New Orleans. Where this sets apart from other gimbals that I've used, the Hoems, the DJIs and stuff like that, they only have about 270 degrees of movement. This thing will continue to spin 360 degrees. It has no stops built into it. So let's jump right into all these recordings this evening. Okay, so we decided to change it around. We put the S24 Ultra on it. Really cool thing about this is this gimbal right here will actually work directly with Bluetooth, and up here on the top there is an NFC setting. I can actually bump my iPhone against it and it will allow me to control it through the native camera on the app. So as you can see, that's the tripod. Tripod actually just kind of flows and folds up and goes right up into the handle. Pretty cool little device. I'm really digging this thing, so we're gonna have some fun tonight filming with it. Beautiful haze. So you can kind of get an idea of the size of the trees. I think it's huge. Now, that's a small tree compared to. But, yeah, I just think they're huge. I've been on these tours before. This area, they're currently down at the visitor center in New Orleans, and then they have walk through the beach and all that stuff. Well, I've been on this before. I'm gonna go sit back in the shade for a little bit. Since I've actually been here before, I went and saw the battlefield. Man, it's a beautiful day. And then we'll be getting back on the steamboat here in a little bit. We'll be heading back into the city. The whole trip, I think, round trip is like 2.5 hours.
I know, I gotta grab some water from the cart.
I'll grab some food. Head over to some of the cemeteries. Okay, so you guys can see that bridge that is back there in the background. That bridge was actually built 2 feet too short which causes all of the ships and everything coming into the Mississippi, going up into New Orleans. This is the last stop that they can make. They have to stop at New Orleans and then offload, do all that. This was one of the things that actually put New Orleans back on the map, was the fact that they built that bridge 2 feet too short. Because now all these like cruise ships and stuff like that, they can't go any further than New Orleans. They have to stop here, and then they have to turn around and go back that way in order to get out and get back out into the Gulf of Mexico. Interesting little fact. But anyways, you see that's the bridge in the background. There we go.